Then what it is kung hindi? Okay? Ang sinasabi po ritong heart is the way we think, the way we feel, yung willingness natin, yung pagiging hopeful natin, yung pagiging fearful natin, pagiging trusting natin, longing, raging, grieving, and rejoicing. In short, ito yung tinatawag na inner us.
Inner us.
We want to be strengthened, the inner us. Yung po sabi rito, no? And this is what Paul meant when he prayed in Ephesians, that you will be strengthened in the inner person. Strengthen the inner person. Kaya ang tanong, are we strong? Is nothing to do with muscle. Okay? In this scripture, in this topic na pinag-uusapan po natin, pag sinabi strengthen, it's not to do with the muscle. It's not to do with the pulse measurement. Okay? Hindi rin po sinasabi na kung mababa ang cholesterol mo ay nasa limit ba, healthy ang heart ko, strength ang heart ko. Yung mga white blood cells, no? Yung mga ECG.
ECG.
Kung maganda ang ECG mo, ma-strength ang puso ko, hindi po.
To the echo.
To the echo.
Are we strong? Are we strong in the inner us? Marami nagtatanong dyan, Pastor, guilty ako dyan, mahina ako dyan. Marami ganun po, no? But do you want to be strong? Kung you're a kind person na dinescribe po doon sa unang page, no? Sa unang paragraph, sa unang sentence, sa unang part po ng Hebrews 13. We need the strength of heart to avoid the love of money. Not the strength or power to put on a show. Kasi yung ibang tao gustong maging may strength,
Show me.
magkaroon ng kalakasan para maging showmanship. Panlabas. Tama po, no? Panlabas. May kita po tayo sa mga bodybuilding, no? Yung mga nagpapalaki ng katawan. Papalaki ng katawan. Ako si Vince ko nagpapalaki ng katawan. Di ba? Hindi tayo mawalaki ng katawan. Nagwagay-gay po, di ba? Oo. Pero, yung inside, mahina. Physically, bato-bato. Di ba? Bukol-bukol. Pero yung loob,
Lamig
mahina
yun.
pala. It's like a cup. Alam mo yung cup? Yung cup,
Lamig
no?
yun.
Sabi rito, to clean the outside of the cup and leave the inside weak and dirty. Nagpapalakas ka lang. Panlabas. Pero ang loob mo mahina. Ang loob mo mahina. If the strength is real, kung yung strength ng
Pure
puso mo
copy.
ay totoo, kapatid, okay? The strength that is real enough on the